Okay, welcome back guys. So in the last video, if you see properly, we have this issue with button. This button is I have designed it. We are not getting the material design, and that is because while importing using button, where is button? Over here, we have used this code, but we haven't import this API. So we have to import this first. Let me just import this in app module.ts. I'll import this and paste it here also. And now in HTML you can remove this class before we have created class, so that class you can remove it. And if you save all, let me just save it, and as you can see now the button look better than before. Alright, now for the register and login. Okay, now for login, in the last video we saw icon as well, so we'll add icon also. And to add icon, first we have to add this dependency from here, material icon. Just copy this and paste it inside module.ts, and here also you have to paste it. And this way you will get the thing material. Now to get input, if you see this example, come down inside input, as you can see this is the icon. So this icon is nothing but met suffix. If you want before this, you can put met prefix. Alright, so we need it met suffix, so I'll just copy this and paste it inside our email and password. So let me just after this paste it here, and here also after this I'll paste it. But we don't want this mode edit, we want email icon here. So what we can do here is we can search this. To search this, we can just search here met icon. Alright, so you will get over here met icon list, and you can search here. Let me just write email. Alright, we are not getting the perfect one. As you can see, we got this. So you can write email directly, that way you will get email. And the same thing for password, you can write key or something like that. Okay, we are getting VPN key, so we'll go with the VPN key. So I'll paste it here as well, and I'm going to save it. And let's see what is. As you can see, we can see the icon for this both. Alright, now we are going to give ng model. You can use it in TS file later on. So I'll write ng model. This will be email. Alright, and same thing for the password. I'll write ng model password. Alright, okay, we got this email and password. Now same thing we need in the register also. So I'll just copy and paste this whole thing, and this thing I'll copy, and in register tab, this is a register tab, I'll paste it here, and you can align it from a document. And now in email, instead of this email, I'll write our email, which stands for register, and same thing for our password, register password. And we need one more thing, that is confirm password. I'll just copy this and paste it here, and this time I'll write RC, register confirm password. You can give any proper this thing ID and model name. So that's all guys. So I think this will be the, and then yeah, one more thing. So when you click on login, you can right click listener, so this will be login. Okay, and same thing for register, you can give, okay, we don't have that button, so you can just copy this and paste it just below this met form field, and this time it will be register, and function name will be register. Alright, so let me create these two functions inside TS file. Oh yeah, and one more thing, you can delete this, I'm sorry, and I think I already created in the last video, or I think maybe in between. So I have created function for register and login, but we need all this thing for, so let me just create this also. So we have email of type string. Alright, and same thing password of type string also, and so our email for register email, you can just keep it like this also. TypeScript will accept this. And one more thing, this should be email, right? me just type string also, and then our password of type string, and the last one is rc password. Do we have underscore? I think I don't have. We don't have. So save this also and check once. Yep, it is cool. So I'll just save this, and if you come back here, we got our register as well as Angular. Let me just close this, and you can give some margin on top. So to give this, come back here, you can give it directly from here, and this center content, right? So I'll give it from here. So center content is here, margin top, let me just give it 20 pixel. Alright, 20 is less, I'll give 50, and I save, right? I don't know, this is not updating. Sometimes this compilation, okay, I think we have made some mistake here. So animal sensitive property input ng model combined in placeholder password ng model rc password, and alright, some issue is there. If you come back here to ts file, this is rc password, and yeah, it's correct. And the issue is ng model. Yeah, this is ng model issue. Now to use ng model, you have to import form. So come back here, you have to, you can just copy this, or you can type manually. I'll just copy this, and not icon, not material also, from forms. Alright, you can import form module here, and you can copy this and paste it below this and save it. Okay, this error will be gone now, and I don't know, it is so okay, done. So it's compiled successfully. This margin is still small. I'll give okay, not here, that's like center content margin over here. Where is that? Center content, right? I'll give 100 pixel margin top. This should do the work. Anyway, I think this will be fine, and we got login as well as register perfectly. Now if you want to click on login, you can register login. So to do that, you can come back to app component.ts. so when you logged in, and you can check here if, alright, so this dot, so email equal to, if it is both are admin or something like that, admin, and this dot password equal to admin, then you can say login successful, else login some issue you can display. Now to fix this issue, I'm going to add one more thing here, that is snack bar. We call it snack bar. That we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you guys, see you in the next one.